What's going on, guys? It's Alexa back with another video, and today we are doing some semi-surgery on Bruce's knees, I want to call it. But we're actually going to be changing the wheel axle washers on Bruce right now because, as you guys know, I had the clicking noise earlier and nothing has been working as far as, you know, me trying to find another solution besides this. So we're literally going to add this washer into the wheel axle spline, and hopefully this will help. We've already done one side, and this is going to be kind of my first time attempting it, so bear with me. If there's anything that I miss, let me know in the comments. I'm okay with constructive criticism, but just be nice about it. So what we're going to do is, I have some assistants here. Obviously this is not my garage. The tuna can, it's all tight in there. We got Salo in the building. We got Mark in the back. Look at Pablo. Pablo in the back. I got some hands with me because, look, I wouldn't be able to do this by myself, but between watching other YouTube videos, I'm going to try to teach myself, and hopefully you guys will benefit from this video as well. So just come along with me, and I will try my best to show you all of the bolts, the nuts that we have to take off, and all of the sockets and sizes that we need. So stay tuned. how we got to the axle hub. So what I'm gonna do right here is, I mean, see the light. It doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna try to get a wire brush and get some of this rust off. Not a whole lot, but this could have been what's causing the clicking, is that the splines are rubbing together. So I'm gonna get a wire brush, clean some of this off, and get some compressed air. You see all that dirt and debris under at the bottom? We're gonna blow all that out. And I'm gonna make sure I clean off the surface, because the washer literally just sits right here. And then you put everything back on. So before I reattach everything, we're gonna clean this off, grease it up as well, and then put that back on with the washer, and that should do it.
Philosopher's Stone Beats.
very happy to say that the clicking noise is gone. What we did actually worked, and I'm very happy to hear that. I have no idea if it was the washer that really did help, or if maybe it was just something as simple as actually greasing the hub assembly where the splines are, because you know there was a little bit of rust, a little bit of like very light wear, and there was some debris under the wheel hub area. So I blew all of that out with compressed air, and yeah, everything is working, feels good, sounds good because I don't hear anything. So that's how I know. Don't mind it being a little wet. I just took it by a touchless wash. So yeah, I think it's funny how like something that simple really did make the difference. I'm super thankful for my friends. Thank you guys so much for helping me out and providing me the tools and the hands and assistance that I needed to do this job, because I can promise you, if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be able to do that. I would definitely have taken it to a dealership or something, and I probably just saved myself about $400 or $500 of labor. So yeah, it was hard work. We were out there for at least like, I don't know, 3 hours or so, but honestly we weren't, you know, pressed for time or anything like that. So we were just taking our time with everything and filming and all of that. But in general, the work wasn't, you know, too hard. I'm just not used to stuff like this. My friends are more used to, you know, the repairs that are similar to this. But yeah, I'm very happy with it. Let me know what you guys think, as always. And yeah, pretty soon I think the next thing I want to do is get these brake calipers repainted, because you guys know the color red that Bruce is a very dark cherry red jewel. These calipers have kind of faded into an orange, and that's a no bueno. These no match. So hopefully I'll be getting these repainted soon, but obviously I wanted to do the wheel assembly repair first before I got these repainted, because I'm kind of glad I did, because I see a couple more scuffs on the paint of the brake caliper. So I was like, nope, I just want to wait until I get that taken care of before I worry about repainting these. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys are attempting to do this repair yourself, I really hope that the video was informative enough for you guys to try it on your own. Please leave me some comments if you have any questions about the repair, and I hope that the socket sizes I was able to show you was clear. If you weren't able to see it, let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer them as quickly as I can. So thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you already know, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the content. I try to upload as often as I can, but thank you guys for your support, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I will see y'all next time. Take care.